This is VIVO Y21S, and today I would like to show how you can bypass or turn off parental controls on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the Google category, onwards go for the manage your Google account option. After that, open the data and privacy section over here and go for the delete your Google account option at the very bottom of the said page. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the Google account password, so let me quickly do that. Then confirm the account deletion, if the deletion is even a word, but whatever. So delete your Google account, and once you do that successfully, the parental controls will be deactivated. It might take some time for the system to acknowledge that, to synchronize itself properly, so you might want to give it some time for the changes to be reflected. But as far as I can tell, everything is already okay, and the parental controls are disabled. Let me quickly prove that to you. So no Google account over here, and no parental controls as well. So now I will show how you can recover the Google account so it will not disappear, and that's even a simpler thing to do. You will just need to log into Google app, any Google app with it. So I usually go with Play Store. So input the email address of the deleted account. Then you should see the following message. After this message appears, enter your account password. And 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong error. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your credentials one more time. And finish the login. And well, as you could have already guessed, since we can proceed with the sign-in, that means that the account was reactivated and, well, you can now use it again. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.